Okay, students. So I'm right now teaching you how to derive distance formula. I'm teaching you how to derive distance formula. Basically, this is the distance formula, like root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. And this formula, it's under root, isn't it? So why this under root, and from where this has come, and what is x2 x1 and y2 y1, and why it is under root, all these questions I'm going to answer in this video. This formula is based on Pythagoras theorem. So stay tuned to learn this, how exactly it has been derived. So let me explain to you all over here. Let's pay attention. So over here, let's say this is point A and this is point B. This is point A and this is point B. Let's say point A have coordinate x1, y1, and coordinates of point B would be x2, y2. So coordinate of A are x1, y1 means this distance x, on the x-axis will going to be x1, and this distance on the y-axis will going to be y1. Isn't it? X1, y1 means this is the distance and x1, and this is the distance which is y1, isn't it? And this x2, y2, what do you mean by this x2, y2 of coordinates of B? It's simple. On the x-axis it will going to be x2, and on the y-axis it will going to be y2, isn't it? On the y-axis this will going to be y2, because that's coordinate of point B. Now students, we are supposed to find this distance AC. So how are we going to find this distance AC? It's simple. This is total distance x2 and this is total distance x1. We will going to just subtract. That is how we're going to get this distance AC is equal to x2 minus x1. Now you must be wondering, sir, what is this point C? It is just when we draw perpendicular from A on this perpendicular BD or BE, you can say. Okay, so BC is just perpendicular on this line. And now this distance is simply x2 minus x1. Why x2 minus x1? Because this distance is x2 and this distance is x1. So the remaining distance will going to be x2 minus x1. Similarly, this distance yc will going to be y2 minus y1. So this distance BC will going to be y2 minus y1. And now student, we'll have to apply over here Pythagoras theorem. So what is Pythagoras theorem, students? AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Look at this, AC square plus BC square, isn't it? So what is AC over here is x2 minus x1. So AC over here is x2 minus x1 the whole square, and BC over here would going to be BC square will going to be y2 minus y1 the whole square, isn't it? We just now calculated BC as y2 minus y1 the whole square. And now student, this was AB square is equal to, isn't it? So AB will going to be under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. And now student, this is distance formula between these 2 points A and B having coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2. Now one can write this formula as x1 minus x2 the whole square plus y1 minus y2 the whole square also, like this, because A minus B the whole square is same as B minus A the whole square, because if it is negative term and then square, it becomes positive. So it does not make any difference whether you write x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, it remains the same. So the simple conclusion is the distance between any 2 points is always equal to root of difference between the abscissa square plus difference between the ordinate square, or vice versa. I hope you understood this. Thank you.